Recent pipeline accidents proved when a leak impacts a high consequence area, the damage is greater and the consequences last longer. High consequence areas, known as HCAs, can be drinking water sources, including those supplied by surface water or wells, and locations where a secondary source of water supply is not available. The land area where spilled hazardous liquid could affect the water supply is also treated as an HCA. HCAs also include populated areas and sensitive ecological resources, including locations where species federally listed as threatened and endangered can be found, and areas where migratory water birds concentrate. Good engineering practices and pipeline regulations require pipeline operators to augment the leak detection systems on sections where a pipeline failure could affect a high consequence area. The leak detection systems that cover the entire length of a cross-country pipeline often lack sufficient intermediate sensors, which limits their ability to detect and locate very small leaks close to an HCA. In contrast, a secondary leak detection system specifically designed to work with sensors installed immediately upstream and downstream of any HCA section can be turned to much higher sensitivity, as the local sensors will isolate the HCA section from influences elsewhere along the pipeline. Guardian hardware upstream and downstream isolate the HCA segment, often allowing detection of leaks smaller than 0.2% of the nominal flow. Influences such as operational transients, vapor pockets, and measurement uncertainties in distant instruments no longer impact the HCA system. Guardian can detect leaks in areas with no power, no existing telecommunication infrastructure, and no SCADA. The Pipeline Guardian leak detection solution assures you will go beyond best practice requirements for leak detection in high consequence areas. Please contact Atmos for more information.